My name is Elad Spiegel. I'm an agricultural manager for a large cannabis producer and extractor in Portland, Oregon. As an agricultural manager, I am responsible for making propagation units. The biggest challenge in cannabis production is the control of botrytis cinerea, known also as bud rot. Without addressing it could cause severe yield losses and profit damage. So during several years dealing with botrytis, we experimented with every method that we could apply, starting from experimenting with application of fungicides. We maximized the airflow in the greenhouse. We added more fans, more exhaust fans, more circulation fans, and nothing seemed to reach the results that we were aspiring to reach. By introducing DryGair, the DryGair units, the dehumidifying units into our greenhouse, we were able to address key parts of the day and the growing cycle by reducing humidity, which is the main cause that causes and promotes botrytis, high humidity. When we received the DryGair units, they came completely built, and the only thing that we had to do is put them in place and hook them up to electricity, in our case also to a hot water system, to a boiler system, and to a drainage system, and it was pretty much plug and play. They were really easy to deal with. This installation couldn't be simpler. For several weeks, the unit was a standalone unit. It had its own parameters for operation, as for temperature control and humidity control, and we just set the parameters on the unit's own controllers, thermostat and relative humidity sensor, and the unit operated alone and kept the parameters on our settings. After we installed the climate control unit, the unit is controlled by a central climate control unit that has its own sensors placed in the greenhouse. So the unit can be operated either as a standalone unit if you don't have an advanced climate control controller, or just as another component in the climate control system. The DryGair unit is extremely easy to operate. You do not operate it. Once we place the DryGair units, the humidity levels in the greenhouse really drop down to a level of pretty much a steady state, because once humidity levels start to rise, the unit kicks in and starts to stabilize the conditions. We exhaust less, we use less the exhaust fans, so we lose less heat, so we also conserve a lot of energy. The main benefit of DryGair is the decrease in yield loss. We have full confidence in what's going on, and just by keeping the greenhouse below the dew point, we basically suppress the spread of the disease. There are many products out there, but what sealed the deal for us was the great support that we got from the DryGair professional crew, their consultants, their agricultural professionals, their background, their business management teams, and it was an easy decision for us because of all of the help and support that we got, that gave us a lot of confidence that we could make this unit work in our production system.